Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your Galaxy Watch 7 to your earbuds. First, ensure your Galaxy Watch 7 is fully charged for a smooth process. Next, place your earbuds into pairing mode, making them discoverable. Keep both devices within about 1 foot of each other for optimal signal strength. This preparation makes the connection quick and simple. To begin, swipe down on your watch face, revealing the quick panel. From there, locate and tap the small gear icon, which takes you directly to your watch's settings menu. Once inside the settings, scroll down carefully until you find the Connections option. Selecting this will open up your networking controls, ready for the next step. Within the Connections menu, tap on Bluetooth to manage your wireless audio devices. Next, select Bluetooth audio, which will prompt your watch to scan for available earbuds nearby. Your watch will then display a list of devices. Choose your specific earbuds from this list to initiate the pairing process with a simple tap. Once you select your earbuds, a clear confirmation message will appear on your watch screen, indicating a successful connection. To verify, try playing some audio directly from your watch. You should hear it through your earbuds. Congratulations! Your earbuds are now fully paired and ready for all your music and call needs, right from your wrist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.